Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant filling. Start by assembling cold butter, sugar, and any flavors you want like chocolate or almond paste. Keep your workspace cool and move efficiently so butter stays solid while you shape the filling. I will walk you through measured components, simple flavor swaps, and timing tips so your croissants bake puffed and golden with a tender, flavorful center every time. Gathering the right ingredients is half the win for perfect croissant filling. Choose high-fat butter and superfine sugar so fillings stay smooth and integrate easily with the dough. For sweet croissants, consider chocolate chips or almond frangipane. For savory, use shredded cheese, ham, or herbed butter. Measure precisely, taste as you go, and remember a tiny pinch of salt can lift flavors dramatically. Technique matters more than fancy ingredients when making croissant filling that stays put. Form your filling as a chilled log or use a piping bag to place it accurately in each dough triangle, preventing overflow during baking. After filling, refrigerate briefly so the butter firms and the layers remain distinct. Then bake at a hot temperature to get strong oven spring, golden color, and crisp, delicate layers that contrast a tender filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.